Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Gmail in Windows 11 or 10 PC using Brave browser. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then visit gmail.com and sign in to your account. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut option. By default, Gmail will open in a new tab in Brave browser. In case you want to open in a new window, just check this one option, Open as window, and then click on this one Create button. This will create a shortcut icon for Gmail. By double clicking on this one shortcut icon, you can open Gmail in your Windows PC.